DJI's highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro. After months of speculation and leaked information, this next-generation ultra-compact drone is shaping up to be a significant upgrade that could revolutionize the sub-250-gram drone category. Recent regulatory filings and insider reports have painted a clearer picture of what drone enthusiasts can expect from this upcoming release. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has moved closer to reality after being spotted during test flights earlier this month, generating considerable excitement among drone enthusiasts. The most significant development came when the drone appeared in Federal Communications Commission listings, which typically indicates that a product is nearing its commercial release. According to trusted industry leakers, particularly the reliable X account Hakasushi, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025. This timing aligns perfectly with DJI's traditional release schedule, as September is typically when the company refreshes both its Mini series and Osmo action camera lineup. The FCC filing reveals that DJI has bound the regulatory body to a short-term confidentiality agreement until May 27, 2025, after which external photos, internal components, and the complete user manual will become publicly available. This regulatory timeline suggests that DJI is maintaining tight control over the product's reveal while ensuring all necessary approvals are in place for the anticipated September launch. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the Mini 5 Pro centers around its camera system. Industry sources suggest that DJI will equip the drone with a 1-inch camera sensor, representing a substantial improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. This larger sensor would be a game-changer for image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions where larger sensors excel at capturing more light and producing cleaner images with less noise. The upgrade would bring the Mini 5 Pro's imaging capabilities closer to professional-grade equipment while maintaining the ultra-compact form factor that makes the Mini series so popular. Additionally, rumors indicate that the drone will feature vertical shooting modes, specifically designed to cater to content creators who produce material for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This feature would eliminate the need for post-processing rotation and make the Mini 5 Pro an ideal tool for modern content creation workflows. Perhaps the most impressive rumored improvement is the Mini 5 Pro's extended flight time. FCC documentation indicates that the new drone will feature a significantly larger battery compared to the current Mini 4 Pro, potentially pushing flight times to a remarkable 50 minutes. This represents a substantial increase from the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute flight time and would make the Mini 5 Pro one of the longest-flying drones in its weight class. The extended battery life would be particularly beneficial for professional work, travel photography, and extended recreational flights where landing to swap batteries can interrupt creative flow. The improved battery capacity suggests that DJI has made significant advances in battery technology, or has found ways to optimize the drone's power consumption without compromising performance or adding weight that would push it over the critical 250-gram threshold. Safety technology appears to be another major focus for the Mini 5 Pro, with rumors suggesting the inclusion of LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance systems. If true, this would represent a first for ultralight drones and would significantly enhance the safety profile of the Mini 5 Pro, making it more suitable for complex flying environments and less experienced pilots. The LiDAR system would complement existing visual sensors to provide more accurate distance measurements and better obstacle detection in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the drone is rumored to feature an impressive 25-kilometer transmission range, which would be a substantial improvement over previous Mini models and would allow pilots to explore larger areas without losing connection. This extended range would be particularly valuable for landscape photography, search operations, and professional surveying work where long-distance flights are necessary. Maintaining the sub-249-gram weight classification remains a critical aspect of the Mini 5 Pro's design philosophy. This weight limit is crucial because it keeps the drone exempt from FAA registration requirements for recreational use in the United States and similar regulations in other countries. By staying under this threshold, DJI ensures that the Mini 5 Pro remains accessible to casual users who want to avoid the bureaucratic requirements associated with heavier drones. However, pilots will still need to comply with the FAA's remote ID rules, which became fully enforced in 2025, requiring drones to broadcast identification and location information during flight. The Mini 5 Pro's September 2025 launch timing positions DJI strategically for the holiday shopping season, which could drive significant sales both for the drone itself and related accessories like extra batteries, propeller guards, and carrying cases. Industry analysts predict that the Mini series launch could boost accessory market sales by 10 to 15% based on historical data from previous Mini releases. While official pricing hasn't been announced, industry experts expect the Mini 5 Pro to be positioned competitively against the current Mini 4 Pro's $1,399 price point, though the advanced features may command a premium. The launch comes at a time when competitors like Autel Robotics are pushing their Evo Nano series, making it crucial for DJI to maintain its technological edge in the compact drone market. The DJI Mini 5 Pro represents what could be the most significant advancement in ultra-compact drone technology, combining professional-grade features with the portability and regulatory advantages that have made the Mini series so popular. With its rumored 1-inch sensor, extended 50-minute flight time, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, and impressive range capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro promises to blur the lines between recreational and professional drone capabilities while maintaining the sub-250-gram weight that keeps it accessible to all users.